Hello guys, this here is a ADT. I believe it's called a Honeywell something. And every time I open the door, the chime goes off. So I believe I have it off right now. I'm gonna show you guys how to turn it off and turn it on. So let me see here. So it's, you press this tic-tac-toe thing and then 9 and chime on. Check it out. Yep. Thing gets annoying. The ADT guy came by and fixed it, and I guess it came back on. So now it's off again. All right.